Good morning and welcome back to the channel, Ardell's Kitchen. Guys, this morning I'm going to share with you my very delicious chicken pie. Okay, so I've got the ingredients. I've got some flour, 2 eggs. For the seasonings, I've got some Sriracha Seasoning, Complete Seasoning and Black Pepper, Sazon Seasoning and Cajun Seasoning. I also have some chopped green onions, coriander and basil. I've got my garlic and onions, my red bell peppers. I've got some grated cheddar cheese, some grated potatoes. Here guys, I've got some carrots grated, and I've got my chicken, the star of the show. So I already went ahead and I washed my chicken down with lemon juice and vinegar. I chop it into bite-sized pieces and lightly season it with some seasoning salt and black pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead now guys and take you through the next step. Okay guys, I've got my pan here on the cooker with a little oil. So I'm gonna go in with my chicken and let it go for about 2 to 3 minutes to get a little char on it, and then I'll remove it from the pan, and then I'll go in with my aromatics. Okay, okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna remove my chicken from the pan and then come back and take you guys through the next step. In the same pan guys, I'm gonna go in with my garlic and onions. I'll give that about 2 to 3 minutes to soften up and release all those beautiful fragrance, and then I'll go in with the other rest of my aromatics. Okay, I'm gonna season up the pot now guys with all those beautiful seasonings. Guys, I'm going to start assembling my pie. Okay, so all my aromatics going to go into the bowl. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna place my pie mixture in my bowl like so. I'm gonna assemble. I've forgot to show you guys, I've got some sliced tomatoes, so I'm gonna lay some tomatoes at the top of my pie and then cover it with my cheese. To the grease oven and let it go for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys my finished product. Okay, look at that. Okay guys, this is my chicken pie that just came out of the oven. So I'm gonna let this cool down and I'm gonna cut into it and I'm gonna show you guys my finished product. I'm gonna show you guys, this is delicious. Okay guys, this is my finished product guys of the delicious chicken pie. Guys, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like, share and comment. All the measurements and ingredients would be in the description box. If you're new to my channel, you're absolutely welcome. Please hit the subscription button and a little notification bell where you would be notified whenever I upload a video guys. Thank you all so much for your continued support. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. It would really help my channel. Thank you all once again, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.